All right, Frankenstein C20 here again today. Happy Friday. So this morning I'm working here on the vacuum lines. As you can see, I've got two PVC little breather valves right there. I just popped them on this morning. I was running one, and I did have that one over there on here before, and it's just gotten saturated with oil. If you can tell that or not, but it's just black as can be. And when I jump on it, it spit out a little bit of oil right here on the frame and the manifold there. Wouldn't be much, it'd just be enough just to where you could smell oil. So I'm thinking that ought to do it. You know, I've went to town, you can't really find a oil cap for one of these aftermarket valve covers at, you know, at your local auto parts store. So I actually had the other one there as an extra, and I just went ahead and put it on there, see if that'll keep it from spitting oil out when I jump on it. So yeah, that's pretty much where we're at today on that. That's all I'm going to do. I'm going to fire this thing up here in a little bit and see how it does. So we'll check that out. But it should be okay. So yeah, hang on, let me grab some keys and let's start this thing up real quick.